Chinese rapid testing kits, which India just procured from China a few days ago, have been found faulty. India's top medical body, the Indian Council for Medical Research, has now halted rapid testing with these kits for the next 2 days. They're hoping that they're able to find a solution by then. 2 states, Rajasthan and Kerala, have complained about this specifically today. Rajasthan saying that only the accuracy was just 5.4% of these tests. 7 lakh kits were procured in all.
सारे स्टेट्स को ये सलाह देना है कि अगले 2 दिन ये टेस्ट किट्स इस्तेमाल न करें। 2 दिन के बाद में हम क्लियर कट एडवाइजरी देने के पोजीशन में रहेंगे, क्योंकि अगर ऐसे कुछ नजर आया कि वो बैचेस में प्रॉब्लम है तो हम वो बैच को रिप्लेसमेंट के लिए वो कंपनी को बोल सकेंगे। इसलिए सबने इस वक्त तो भी वो टेस्ट किट इस्तेमाल 2 दिन ना करें और अगले 2 दिन में हम जो भी सही जो रिजल्ट्स आते हैं वो आपको बताएंगे।
रैपिड टेस्ट किट जो था, इससे हम बल्क में लोगों के बीच में टेस्ट करके और जो लोग सिम्टोमेटिक हो सकते थे उनको आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए इस टेस्ट को हमने उपयोग में लेना उचित समझा। लेकिन जब इसका 168 टेस्ट हमने किए और उसका भी रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव केसेस के ऊपर हमने इसको टेस्ट किया, वो 5.4% आ रहा है। फिर कोरिलेशन जब सही नहीं है तो इस टेस्ट को आगे करने में क्या फायदा है?
Well, we have Arvind Kunasekar and Harsha Kumari Singh now joining us from Delhi and from Jaipur. Arvind, to you first, because this is, quite a setback in the sense that we just ordered lakhs of these testing kits from China, and even though the ICMR had warned that these are not a substitute for the full test for COVID, there is a reason that they were ordered and then that they were distributed to states. Now that effort has stopped.
Yeah, Nidhi, as on date, we have received somewhere around over 7 lakh antibody test kits from China, especially from these 2 companies, one for biotech. From these 2 companies, we have received somewhere around 7 lakh antibody test kits, and all these were received by ICMR, and all these kits were distributed to states across the country, almost to all states by ICMR in last 2 weeks. In fact, the antibody tests have actually started from Saturday. Now, 2 states, in fact, we have just got one more information. As of now, 3 states have actually complained to ICMR regarding the inaccuracies with the usage of antibody test kits. States like Rajasthan, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, all these 3 states have raised a complaint with ICMR regarding the accuracies, regarding the test accuracies of these kits, and that's why ICMR has come up with a statement now where they have said that they have asked the states not to go ahead with the using of antibody test kits for next 2 days. ICMR is saying that they will be sending their teams to all this field, and they would be doing an on-field test of these states, and then they would be validating whether these kits can be used in future or not. So this is the stand of ICMR. So when we spoke to the ICMR officials, they are pointing to 2 important advisories that have been sent from their end to all the states. In fact, 2 advisories have been sent from ICMR, one dated April 16 and second one dated April 17. If we could take a closer look at the advisory sent from ICMR to all the states on April 16, ICMR very categorically, ICMR had said that these rapid antibody test kits cannot be used for diagnosis of COVID-19. In fact, they have clearly said that these kits are not recommended for the diagnosis of COVID-19. That is an April 16 advisory. April 17th advisory, ICMR is actually making a detailed account where they are saying is that antibody test kits can be used only as a supplementary tool to study the spread of infection in a specific area, and it cannot replace the gold standard testing frontline, that is RT-PCR. For any COVID-19 infection, it can be confirmed, it can be done only through RT-PCR tests, and antibody tests cannot be used as a replacement for RT-PCR tests.
And in fact, this stemmed from the complaint that came from Rajasthan. This stemmed from the complaint that came from Rajasthan and Kerala. And Harsha, what was the Rajasthan experience actually like on the ground?
Well, yes, exactly the point that Arvind is making. I get the point that he's making, Nidhi. But what Rajasthan was doing was following ICMR guidelines. Now, they were using those test kits to look at suspected patients in an area in the walled city of Jaipur, which has reported actually more than 500 cases. The idea is it's not a conclusive test. Everyone knows that. But the idea is to go into the field, look at people who may have the coronavirus and isolate them as soon as possible. Because remember, In that walled city of area of Jaipur, we have 500 cases. I mean, that's a huge number. You don't know how far it's spreading. Then you take them into hospital, put them into isolation, and then do the final test. Now, what the Rajasthan government found was, just to test the efficacy, they had a team of doctors, microbiology and medicine, and they tested patients who were already admitted. This was just an experiment, mind you. People who were admitted, who had already tested positive for COVID, and they had a high viral load in their body. So that means they also had high antibodies. And those positive tests came out negative. So not only is the test inaccurate, it's actually downright misleading. And how can you then go into a containment zone and use this rapid test kit? People who may be positive, you just get them off the list and let them roam around then and spread it further. I mean, it's absolutely inaccurate. It's got a 5% accuracy. So there's no way that they can control the spread of the infection in the community if they use these kits.